Hi challengers! Instead of looking to my face, you are going to look to my computer screen. Now I'm going to make a very quick tutorial on how to use Canva, although I think most of you already use it. As a digital creator, I love Canva and I use the paid version to make everything. So maybe your version is a little different than mine, but I make here everything. My thumbnails, book cover, my freebies. I even use it to record my webinars. I create easy videos. So if you would like to start with the free version, you will find enough of a wide selection of stock images and inspirational words on its library. You can check once you start creating your book cover. The upgraded version will give you even more options, and it makes simple to remove background without losing definition, for instance. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can click on the PDF and you are going to come here and you will create a new account. I already have mine. So you will come here to create a new design. On the top, on the right side, create a new design. Yes, then custom size, this plus here, custom size. Now 1604, 2560. Create a new design. And ta-da! Here it is, a blank page. Now you are going to templates and we come here and we will write book cover. Yeah, there you go. You will find plenty of templates that are easy to start with. And you can customize everything. Just choose one that you like and go for it. Let's choose one of them. Okay, let's start with this. A little dark, but yeah. I'm going to show you how you can change everything. You don't like this flower in the back with the black background? Okay, you go here to the left, go to photos and search what you want. You can put bird. It's going to appear thousands of birds. You can put a butterfly. You will find plenty of butterflies. You can just choose one of those and put it there, and it's going to be, you drag to the right. Oh, didn't work. And okay, let's put it like this. See, you can adjust and it's going to be there. You can change the colors. You go here and choose a color that is going to be shown on the background. You can change the color to any color you prefer. No, let's put it back. You can change anything. Oh, you don't like the butterfly? Let's choose a couple. Let's say it's a love story. It's not working. Okay, put manually. And of course, you are not Stella Darcy. You can click on it and put your own name. You don't like the way it is, you don't like these letters that they chose, just come here and choose another one. Any any font you want. Don't like this font? Let's try another font. Too big. Another. All of them are so big. Let's put it smaller. Let's put 150. Yeah. And let's choose the color to put in a color that you see. You can change everything from the original. You don't see anything else anymore. You don't. Are you tired of this? You didn't like? Choose another template and compare. Add a page. Let's go to another template. Design, book cover. Okay, let's choose this one. The last time we broke up. Oh, heartbreaking. Let's put the last time we kissed. Sounds better, huh? You can change anything. Change the name. You go here on the left side, go to photos, look at all the photos, choose one that you like and put. Why is not working? Just because I'm making the video. Yeah, Lost Murphy. Yeah, see, there you go. You can make smaller, you can make bigger, you can put it here, there. Oh, check. You can do anything you want, and in 5 minutes it's done. 5 minutes. How do you save that? You go here to the right on share, download, choose a PDF, and which one do you prefer? Page 1 or 2? Let's go with the 2. And done. Download. It is there. It's downloading. As simple as this. Let's say you want to make the other part of the cover. Add page. Or let's make copy this page. So we start with something like here. Let's put one of your photos. How do you upload your photos? Let's change the name here. Delete this and make a black or gray. How do you upload your photos? You come here to uploads. Click upload files. Then you search on your computer, where do you have photos of yourself? Twice a year I make photos of myself to put on my thumbnails. So let's choose a dumb photo. I will put this one as the alter photo. Yeah, let's pretend I'm going to use something like this. So that's the alter photo. I can put my name here. I can say what I have to say about the book, blah, 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 blah. And I have a back cover. I can download it. So I can make the front and the back cover. That's it for today. That's all, folks. Less than 10 minutes.